Hello students, I myself Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Maharana Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda District, Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune. The syllabus of FY BSc, we will be going the lecture on FY BSc syllabus. Choice based credit system syllabus. Semester first, paper first. Name of the paper, plant life and utilization first. Name of the chapter, fungi and subtype or subchapter or subunit. Utilization of fungi in agriculture, utilization of fungi in industry, utilization of fungi in pharmaceuticals, and utilization of fungi in food. Today, we will learn utilization of fungi in the pharmaceuticals. Credit second. Utilization of fungi in pharmaceuticals shows different types of fungi used in the production of important number of drugs. That is, utilization of fungi in pharmaceutical, antibiotics, vitamins, steroids, alkaloids, biological research and test organisms. First, utilization of fungi in pharmaceuticals, antibiotics. The antibiotics penicillin is an important drug obtained from fungi Penicillium notatum against gram-positive and gram-negative bacterial infections. This is the important fungi which yield or range of activity of fungi is gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, and this drug is very important to the human being. Then second antibiotics, cephalosporin. These antibiotics are obtained from Cephalosporium acremonium. Range of activity of fungi is gram-positive and gram-positive only. Then graciofulvin antibiotics. This fungi is obtained from Penicillium graciofulvum. The range of activity of this fungi is to control fungi. Then citrinum, Penicillium citrinum fungi. This is against, this drug is against, or this antibiotic is against fungi. Then next, fumagillin antibiotics. It is obtained from Aspergillus fumigatus against protozoa. Then next, fusidic acid obtained from Fusidium coccineum bacteria, range of activity. Then palutin, it is obtained from Penicillium palutinum, range of activity of fungi, bacteria and fungi. Then next, pyridine antibiotics. This antibiotics is obtained from fungi Trichoderma viridis, and it is range of the fungi is only fungi what control against the fungi. These are antibiotics which are obtained from fungi. Then next point, vitamins. Many fungi which is used to obtain vitamins. Vitamins B complex, vitamins B12, vitamin A is obtained from fungi Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Then third, steroid cortisol, CRTISONE is obtained from fungi Aspergillus niger and tigrum fungi. This fungi is used in the rheumatic arthritis allergy. These rheumatic arthritis allergy are controlled by steroid cortisone, and these cortisone steroid substance is obtained from Aspergillus niger fungi. Then alkaloids. Clavici this is ergot of bajra and ergot of rye. This fungi yields alkaloids ergotin. This fungi yields alkaloid ergotin. This ergotin drugs or alkaloid is used for treatment of menstrual disorders and to check hemorrhage during childbirth, and this is important alkaloid obtained from claviceps pathogen. The next, biological research. Next alkaloid or next point, biological research. Fungi like neurospora yeast have been used in the genetical and phytological studies. Which fungi? Neurospora and yeast fungi are used or have been used in the cytological and clinical studies in the laboratory or for students. Then next point, test organisms. Test organisms, some strains of Aspergillus niger is used to detect trace elements like zinc, copper, molybdenum, and Neurospora crassa. And Neurospora crassa fungi has been used to detect vitamin B complex. These are fungi which is used in the utilization of pharmaceuticals. Then utilization of fungi as a food. Utilization of fungi as a food. Some important edible mushrooms like Agaricus bisporus, oyster mushroom, Agaricus campestris. These are edible mushrooms. In India or Asian countries, Agaricus bisporus is used as edible purposes and it is used in the commercial importance because button stage mushroom, that is semi-mature mushroom, button stage mushroom is used as preparation of delicious dish of mushroom. Then many fermented food articles, example sufu is produced from fungi mucor. Mucor fungi is used as food article sufu, SUFU. Single cell proteins are obtained from yeast fungi. SCP, that is single cell proteins, are obtained from yeast fungi. Protein bodies of edible fungi like mushroom Pleurotus astratus, oyster mushrooms contains many types of vitamins, potassium, amino acids, lysine, minerals, sodium, calcium. Agaricus bisporus is also used as edible purposes and it also used food due to high protein contents, amino acids, lysine, salts, minerals, sodium, potassium, calcium and phosphorus and also small amount of fat. Vitamins such as B, C, D and K also extracted or present in the mushroom. For human consumption, mushrooms are used as delicious food, either fresh or processed products. Mushrooms are low energy diet for diabetic patients. They are rich source of calcium, potassium, sodium and are responsible for boost immune system and also lowers cholesterol levels in human being. Then some important edible mushrooms are Agaricus bisporus, Agaricus astratus or Pleurotus astratus. Agaricus bisporus is common mushroom and its common name also button mushroom, cultivated mushroom, champion mushroom. Its fully mature form is known as portobello. Its semi-nature or semi-mature form of mushroom is known as cremini mushroom, baby bella mushroom, Swiss brown mushroom, Roman brown mushroom, Italian brown mushroom, and chestnut brown mushroom. But in Maharashtra and India and in Maharashtra, the button mushroom is generally used as vegetable or food purposes. This video is only for educational purpose for FYBC students, semester first, paper first. Then exercise of the or question bank of the mushroom or fungi or fungi then mushroom. Describe or explain general characters of fungi. Then describe classification of fungi up to class level. This is a long answer questions. Then describe utilization of fungi in pharmaceuticals, in industry, in agriculture and in food. Then explain anatomy of mushroom or basilocarp or sporocarp. This is also long answer question. Then give net level diagram of fully mature mushroom and butter mushroom. Then anatomy of TS of gill, TS of style. Then short answer question. Give two names of edible mushrooms. What is the botanical name of mushroom? Second question. What is the botanical name of mushroom? Then give two economic importance of two economic mushroom with botanical names. Then next short answer question. Give two fungi which is used as antibiotics. Give fungi of steroids. What is the name of alkaloid fungi which is extracted from Claviceps purpurea? Then which fungi is used as cytological and genetic studies? Then which fungi are used as pest organisms? Then which fungi are used as to detect vitamin B complex? What is the botanical name of graciopulvin alkaloid? What is the botanical name of cyclosporin alkaloid? What is the name of antibiotic? Penicillin. These are question bank of this fungi unit 4 fungi chapter, and here is the end of unit 4 fungi. This lecture or this chapter is only for educational purpose, or this video is only for educational purpose for FYBSc students. Thank you.